We have all seen those cardboard boxes which are super flexible in packing any kind of products. Perfect Pack Limited is one of the leading manufacturers of corrugated packaging in India. The company was established in 1973 as the pioneer in the industry. With almost 50 years of experience in the field, Perfect Pack has come a long way with just a single corrugation plant. In 2006, the plant was automated and set up in Greater Noida. At Perfect Pack, we strive to serve our customers from design to manufacture. We provide innovative package designs which helps to reduce package weight. With our efficient packaging solutions, we have successfully replaced wooden and plastics with paper packaging to a great extent. Our products include heavy-duty boxes with top lid, pharmaceutical boxes, food and beverage boxes, multi-color boxes, self-lock trays, top-bottom lids, 3x5 plyboards, regular slotted cartons, multi-layered trays, large shippers, slip sheet pallets, fitments, die-cut self-locked cartons, and many more. Our manufacturing plant is equipped with multi-modern facilities like 3x5 ply corrugated board making line with the speed of 150 meters per minute with multiple flute profiles of A, B, C, BC, AB, BB. Floor-mounted conveyor system for effective handling of corrugated boards coming out of the corrugator. We have 2x3 color high-speed printer slotters with rotary die cutter and 3 high-tech printing machines with die cutter. There is a fully automatic folder stitcher that can glue up to 1.5 lakh cartons per day and deliver up to 6,000 to 8,000 boxes per hour with auto bundler. The finished products are tested in our own laboratory. The lab tests make sure that international standards of quality are maintained. Our aim is to provide corrugated boxes which are accepted globally. Once the boxes are tested and ready, delivering them in the right condition is absolutely important. As we don't want to risk this, Perfect Pack has its own transportation facility. We have 12 32 feet weatherproof closed containers, 6 17 feet CNG containers, 6 22 feet containers, which make sure that our boxes are delivered in the best condition. Some of our clients are LG, Samsung, Oscar, Amul Dairies Limited, Ahuja, Soothe Healthcare. Our services are extended across B2B clients and individual clients. We promise quality products, on-time delivery, and a long-term partnership based on trust.